One last question I'm getting a lot is, where do I get the hardware to assemble this? That is going to be through Canvas. So if you go to your Canvas page, which would be here, just click on the main page, scroll just under all of this to our daily slides, and we want to skip all the way down to the most recent slides. Any of these in here should have it. If you click the button that says hardware, it'll take you to this folder here that has just those pieces that we need. Click on the first one, hold down Shift, click on the last one, right click and say move to, and it'll probably say move to my drive or add to my drive. That'll put it here for you in your my drive folder. Now once you do that, you should have access to it through Inventor. But if you don't, when you go to make an assembly file, it's probably because you're not signed into Google Stream yet. To sign into Google Stream, hit the Windows key on your computer and type the letters STR. That'll bring up Drive File Stream, and once you click it, you should be able to sign into Google, and this will add a G drive to your computer. In my case it's a J drive, but for you at school it's a G drive, and you'll have access to all of the stuff on your Google Drive.